The big story that we're tracking is from the Gangaram Hospital, where monoclonal antibody treatment prima facie appears to have worked in two COVID patients who had a rapidly progressing disease. Could this monoclonal antibody treatment now be a potential game changer? Well, here's what the doctor had to say.
As India continues to battle the deadly coronavirus, monoclonal antibody therapy, a possible game changer in the field of medical science, and as doctors and experts are continuously finding new ways and experimenting with new ways of dealing with the virus and curing COVID patients. Joining me right now is Dr. Rana, the Chairman Board of Members at the Sir Gangaram Hospital in the National Capital. Sir and Doctor, thank you very much for speaking to us. Doctors in your hospital have successfully treated two patients using the monoclonal antibody therapy. For our viewers, in simple language, what is monoclonal antibody therapy, sir?
Monoclonal antibody are based on the principle that these antibodies against virus S protein, they are produced in the laboratories, and then when they are given to the patient early in the disease, say once the patient is symptomatic and is given early within 1 week, then these monoclonal antibodies attach to spikes of virus. And the virus is inactivated. That virus cannot attach to the cells, so it cannot replicate, it cannot multiply, So patient will not get disease. So around what this drug has been tested on for 20,000 patients in the lab, clinical trials, and they have found that in symptomatic patient, early symptomatic patient, this treatment, which is just single injection given intravenously or subcutaneously, can prevent symptom to the extent of, or disease, can prevent the disease to the extent of 70%. Okay. There are some new antibody which can prevent the disease to the extent of 95%. So in fact, that way you can think it is something like an antibiotic which is used for bacterial disease,
Doctors at your hospital have treated two patients. One is of the age 36 and one is of the age 80. The one with the case study whose age 80 has comorbidities. Can you elaborate a little bit on that? How effective could this be? Could this be a game changer?
Yeah, one who was symptomatic at the age of 80, having diabetes mellitus and hypertension, if he gets disease, he has got fairly good chances of getting morbidity and mortality also. So to the tune of 70%, that person is not going to get disease. Right. So time will tell. Another 5 days we'll come to know whether this person gets disease at all or not, Similarly, the other person, the young doctor who was involved in taking care of COVID patients, So there we have given to him also that he should not get any disease at all. Then you give injections subcutaneously or intravenously, wait for a few hours and patient goes home, So there is no burden on the hospital beds. Apart from cutting the chance of getting disease, thereby morbidity and mortality, it is cutting the need for hospital beds. And that way it will be quite a game changer actually. It will reduce the burden on the infrastructure actually.